Every gourmet cook seems to have their own opinion about what is the best Texas gourmet salsa. Perhaps that is why so many types of salsa are available for the gourmet chef to choose from. Texas Sweet Heat is the product of gourmet innovation and passion. Gazing out at a sea of mediocre salsas, we knew we could do better. Our aim was to craft a salsa steeped in the tradition of Texas sauces, but elevated through the implementation of contemporary cooking methods and fresh ingredients. After 4 awards and much acclaim, we are proud to offer up a salsa that is bold yet refined, tasteful yet inspired. At Texas Sweet Heat, we focus all of our efforts on making the finest gourmet salsa available. Salsa is the only thing we do, and we do it right. Texas Sweet Heat salsas come in 2 varieties, mild and hot. Our original mild salsa represents the perfect marriage of heat and sweet. Ripe Roma tomatoes provide a natural sweetness, while crisp jalapeno peppers add a tantalizing zing. Each bite is packed full of the freshest ingredients Texas has to offer. This mild salsa is the perfect companion for quesadillas, nachos, or stuffed peppers. The bolder sibling to our mild offering, our hot salsa, packs a punch. A proprietary blend of superior spices mingles with both sweet and hot peppers to produce a distinctive heat that will have you coming back for more. Set this lively salsa out at your next barbecue or family gathering for a surefire hit. We are committed to providing our customers with the highest quality of salsa, all natural, no preservatives, gluten-free, and without trans fat. Pick some up at texas-sweetheat.com.